Hi, this is Brittany Herrera with CIT 365 and the Sacrament Meeting Planner final project. Brother Blizzard, I have really enjoyed being in your class. I hope I get you in another class because you've really helped me. And I mentioned yesterday how this class was similar to this other programming class I took. I finally felt like I got somewhere in the last week, and I hope that you feel the same way. For the project, I was working on doing the Contoso University, but making the Sacrament Planner one layer, and a team member and I worked together on it, John Emerson, or JT. And basically, I had started it, and then we basically walked through and added some things. And then we went our separate ways as far as styling goes and doing our own video. But you'll see that it looks similar to some degree. Anyways, another thing was to work on using Visual Studio to upload the project to GitHub. And that's something I was able to figure out to some degree too. So let's look at the code so far. First of all, here's the plan. So we have to mention the date and the bishop or the bishop conducting songs, prayers, speakers, and things like that. And we basically did the same as what the tutorial was saying up to a point, because it was hard to start adding things. It was getting confusing to make it one layer. So we have the Sacrament Meeting plans control, the meeting context, and the initializer here, Sacrament Meeting plan for the models. And then here's that part for the view. And then I added some pictures and things like that. So let's, I guess, let's run the program and see what comes up here. Okay, so here is this app, I guess, our program. And all of these links are clickable for someone who, I guess, accidentally visited the app or website to get information about the church. And if you came to this on purpose, there's some tips for why we use the planner, the checklist, and here's some links to getting help with making the plan, like getting member names and scriptures and hymns. So we're going to go to the plan. Here's our database of plans that have been made so far. We added this search topic. So if I put faith, this one will come up. Obedience will come up. Back to full list. This will sort the dates. So we did that. I added this detail for the table, and then when you edit it, it will have this kind of table. And then when you have the details, it looks like this. And when you delete it, it looks the same as that. Are you sure you want to delete this? You won't be able to undo the delete. Here's the context tab. This might be too large for you, but it was kind of weird making it really small. And here's what it's about. I think this could be worked on as well, but it looked a little bit weird being really small too. There wasn't a lot of information. So anyways, that is that's the Sacrament Meeting Planner. If you want, I can create a new one here just so you can see that part works. And we'll do April, and we'll do the 29th, and we'll do opening prayer is and closing prayer, sorry. And a topic could be, I guess, growing a testimony. All right, so you can see that one was created for the 29th, and if we click on it, this is the information. So it does appear to be working. Now I wanted to show you that I can go to GitHub. So here is this. Says that there's one outgoing commit. We'll push that. Successfully pushed to the master, it's saying. So that means none right here. If I go to GitHub here, and I go to the Sacrament Meeting Planner, it does say styles were that added 10 minutes ago. I had just previously done that. And we can see that that is done. And anyways, I really enjoy learning all of this great stuff. Again, JT Emerson did work with me, and we worked on the search tool, which I guess I should show you that real quick. And, oh, I showed you how you can look for obedience. And if I do love, you can search there. So we worked on the search. We worked on this sort tool, and we got a little bit of styling things going, and worked on the Visual Studio and GitHub connection. Well, thank you so much again. I hope that you feel this meets the requirements for the final. And I look forward to maybe getting you to be in your class in the future. Thank you. Bye.